With a potential shortage of pharmacists due to the pandemic, Purdue University is allowing pharmacy students to graduate early. News 18's Meredith Hackler joins us now live from West Lafayette to tell us how the early graduation can help the industry. Meredith?
Jeff, on April 17th, 144 Purdue pharmacy students will be graduating. Now, many of them are already working as pharmacy interns, but the tasks they can and can't perform differ from if they have graduation status or not. The COVID-19 pandemic has been taking a toll on the healthcare industry, and pharmacies haven't been spared.
Employers are concerned. Again, they're trying to look proactively that running the what if scenarios. And if by chance there becomes a workforce issue, they wanted to be sure that the graduate pharmacists were going to be available to provide support in those cases.
Emily Vaheri is one of 144 Purdue pharmacy students graduating early.
I've worked in retail pharmacy for several years, so I can kind of see firsthand exactly how this whole COVID-19 situation has impacted that.
Vaheri currently works at a CVS pharmacy, and while her workplace hasn't been severely impacted, she says other pharmacies have.
Being in a pharmacy and having a huge influx of prescriptions makes it very difficult to just have one pharmacist working at a time.
While the higher number of prescriptions is one problem, smaller pharmacies are feeling the impact differently.
Smaller pharmacies, particularly in the state, having to close because their workforce, their staff has been ill. And so we're beginning to be concerned that as this pandemic continues to move forward, that there may be some workforce issues.
Allowing pharmacy students to graduate early gives them the qualifications to help pharmacies in a larger capacity, especially since pharmacies will soon be able to perform COVID-19 testing.
Pharmacies will be able to offer testing services, and so that'll be a very important service that the pharmacists will be able to offer, our graduate pharmacists to be able to offer.
Now, Dean Barker added that once a vaccine for COVID-19 is made, that vaccine will likely be distributed at pharmacies across the country, meaning there's going to be a need for even more pharmacists. Now, that will require a larger number of pharmacists working. Live from my apartment in West Lafayette, Meredith Hackler, News 18.